We started the week off with some of the wet weather. We had some of these storms with, of course, the heavy rain. Now, yesterday, a much drier atmosphere. So what happens is as you get that rain falling, it evaporates in that drier air. It becomes cooler. That cool air is definitely heavier than the surrounding air. So it drops out of that cloud, and that's why we get those gusty winds between about 50 to 70 miles per hour. It could again happen today because the atmosphere is much drier. Beautiful this morning. You can see from the top of our building here in Denver, mostly sunny skies, and we're going to see sunshine really dominating our planner. By 9 o'clock, 73. By noon, we're at 84. Another day with temps right around 90 degrees. We started the week off with heat, and we're still dealing with that, which is why we've got red flag warnings popping up across most of our state this afternoon. In El Paso County, that goes into effect at 11 o'clock as the temps rise, as humidities drop, and as those winds pick up across the state. Most of these other red flag warnings going into effect at noon today. Here's a look at your hourly planner. This morning, we're starting off with a few clouds. 58 degrees for your drive into work. By 9 o'clock, we warm fast. 70. By 10 o'clock, we're at 82, and then before we even get to the lunchtime hour, we're once again in the upper 80s to right around 90 degrees. Now at this point, just a little breezy, but those winds are going to pick up. Let me show you our futurecast as far as winds go here in the metro area. By 12 o'clock, between about 5 to 10 miles per hour. As the day progresses, by 2:30, we've got speeds between 20 to 30 miles per hour. May even see some gusts upwards of 40 miles per hour in spots across the state, and it stays a little breezy through the early evening hours. You can see between 9, 10 o'clock, we've got speeds overnight at about 10 to 15, maybe even 20 miles per hour. So it's definitely not going to die down much, but we are expecting it to calm a little through the evening hours.
Good morning, Lisa.
Yeah, or a chance of flying spiders. Take a look at that one on the bottom of the screen right there. Ugh, we've got a creepy spider on the camera there. Here from our building, the studio, looking to the west, you can see mostly sunny conditions. Beautiful start to our day. Could see a few more storms, but again, the overall picture's looking a lot drier. Right now, we're looking at a little activity on the far eastern plains. Those storms starting to dissipate, though. Had some pretty good lightning earlier this morning here in Denver, Fort Collins, and Boulder. Mostly sunny right now. Things are going to be pretty dry today, starting off with sunshine in Denver. We have a few storms that are just grazing northeastern Colorado. We're going to be watching the eastern plains. There is a risk for a little severe weather. I'll show you where in just a second. Temperatures, though, this morning are walking out the door to 50s, even 60s. Denver, 60. Greeley right now, 50. In the high country, quite a bit cooler, 30s and 40s to start. But overall, everybody enjoying really a pretty nice start to the day. If you're sending the kids off to the bus stop this morning, you're going to find temps in the upper 50s to right around 60 as they're heading out. Sunny skies, pretty calm, pretty mild.
It's just about 3 minutes before 7 now. Look at your weather in the 24/7 Weather Center with Lisa.
Yeah, sunshine to start the day, but by this afternoon, more storms and showers. Here's the scene at 11 o'clock this morning. It looks like by that point, we'll start to see more clouds develop. And then between about 11 and 2, we'll see a few of those storms roll through the metro area.
And we're here in the 24/7 Weather Center where, Lisa, I know you're monitoring these conditions. Tyler mentioned those winds are picking up a little bit, and it's going to get worse this afternoon.
You know, you look at the winds, and it's not horrible, but any kind of wind you just hate to even see from his live shot. And even from this monument camera that we've got, we've seen those winds shaking around a bit, and you can see some of the trees there shaking here in Monument at about 5 to 15 miles per hour. You can